Good morning, student. How are you? You all are welcome in English class. I think you all are fit and fine at your home and doing all the work properly. Okay. Today I will introduce you A sound words with the help of pictures. Yes, beta, we have been doing A sound words, but today we will start E sound words with the help of picture. I will make you understand how what is the difference between A and E sound. Okay, A sound has long sound beta and E has small sound like uh and A and E. Okay, with the help of examples you will understand better. Let's see in the notebook. Yes, beta. First of all, your mama will draw the pictures of E vowel. Okay, you can color in it. In this color, in these pictures, you can color according to your choice. E vowel picture work. Okay, we have to read and write along with this. First of all, you write by saying next 2 days we will learn more. Okay, what is this? This is beta net. Net, not net. 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 How you will speak? Net. नोट अभी आपका जो ए की साउंड निकलती है वो नहीं निकालनी है. नेट, बैट, कैट, मैट, वो ए की साउंड है बेटा. दिस इज ए की साउंड, स्मॉल साउंड, स्मॉल. नेट, नेट, नेट. एन ई टी, नेट. एन ई टी, नेट. ओके, साउंड का ध्यान रखना. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द साउंड ऑफ ई. नेट, नेट. ओके, ये अब जिसमें मम्मा चाय बनाती थी, पैन, दैट इज पैन. इट यूज मैम. दिस व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज पेन. पेन, पेन. वो क्या था? पैन. व्हाट इज दिस? पेन. पेन. पी E N, pen. P E N, pen. P E N, pen. N E T, net. N E T, net. P E N, pen. P E N, pen. Okay, you have to speak again and again. What is this? Ten. Ten. T E N, ten. T E N, ten. T E N, ten. Okay, what is this? Leg. Leg. L E G, leg. L E G, leg. Okay, next, pet. Pet, pet. पेट क्या होता है? जो आप घर पे पालते हैं या छोटा जो होता है उसको बोलते हैं पेट. आपके घर पे पेट हो सकता है, पेट. दिस इज पेट. ओके, पैट, नो नो, पैट. दिस इज पेट. पेट. अगेन, एन ई टी, नेट. नेट. एन ई टी, नेट. पी ई एन, पेन. पी ई एन, पेन. टी ई एन, टेन. टी ई एन, टेन. एल ई जी, लेग. एल ई जी, leg. PT, pet. PT, pet. Yes, you will do these words. You can take the more pictures according to your choice. Your mama can draw more. Okay, now again we will learn NET, net. NET, net. PEN, pen. PEN, pen. TEN, ten. TEN, ten. LEG, leg. LEG, leg. PT, pet. Now come on the next page. There are student beta who don't know how to write the decorative letters. Okay beta, you have to learn beta, because we have to write the initial letter capital. We have to write the decorative letters first letter. So it is very necessary, it is essential to learn these letters. You can write on it or you can write on the separate page. It's your choice, beta. A. Then keep here B. Then C. D. A, B, C, D. D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, beta, you have to write like this. If you know how to write, you can write on the separate page, beta. Okay, your mama will not write, you write yourself. If you know how to write, those students still are not able to write, they can write like this. They can trace over the word. Okay, you will read a e vowel word and decorative letters like net, pen, pen, ten, leg, pt, pat. Okay, beta, bye bye. Thank you.